super fun, smaller roller coaster, but super fast, fun, and smooth.
Okay, Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing line their wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a drag.
That's a run.
So just keep moving forward. No. Forward. You know which way is forward, right? Oh no, there's your hatches. That could have gone way worse. Maybe you're right, bud. Maybe there will never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Ah, come on. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah.